Do you ever stop and think how that refreshing glass of orange juice on your breakfast table actually got there? Here's something not many people realize. Just to bring you a single glass of orange juice, the entire industry has had to deal with a massive 75% drop in production in Florida, caused by hurricanes and disease. And to keep things running, a huge logistics network stretching from Brazil to California has been set up just to make sure this stream of liquid gold never stops flowing. So what really goes on behind a simple glass of orange juice? In today's video, we're going to walk through that entire journey together, from sprawling orange groves to the very last drop poured into your glass. And if you enjoy discovering fascinating production processes like this, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Do you like your orange juice with no pulp, a little pulp, or extra pulp? Liquid gold on the breakfast table. Can you believe it? The fresh glass of orange juice you enjoyed this morning may have actually been harvested 2 years ago. Welcome to the world of liquid gold. Behind every bottle sitting on a supermarket shelf isn't just juice. It's the result of a massive battle against nature and disease. When Florida, the orange capital of the world, faces devastating hurricanes or citrus greening disease that can wipe out up to 75% of production, a transcontinental logistics network is immediately activated to save your breakfast. From vast orange groves in distant Brazil to high-tech processing plants in California, this stream of liquid gold travels thousands of miles by sea and land inside enormous storage tanks, all to make sure your glass never runs dry. In the United States alone, people consume hundreds of millions of gallons of orange juice every year, a staggering number that requires billions of oranges to be grown and harvested. Behind every bottle of orange juice on the shelf is an incredibly sophisticated system that brings together modern agriculture, food science, and precision logistics down to the minute. To truly understand where this remarkable journey begins, we have to turn back time to where it all starts. Endless orange groves stretching under golden sunlight, where patience slowly turns into sweet fruit. This isn't just a story about food. It's an epic of technology and human resilience. Harvesting with mechanical beasts. This journey begins with the arrival of massive mechanical beasts rolling across vast fields. Instead of the slow, manual hand-picking methods of the past, modern hydraulic arms now wrap around each tree and shake it with a frequency precisely calculated by computers. The goal is to create a waterfall of ripe oranges cascading down, without causing any damage to the branches or the tree's delicate root system. One of the most remarkable machines is a specialized collection vehicle known as the GOAT, a true symbol of American agricultural productivity. With its unique design, it can swallow up to 2 million oranges per day, filling a giant gondola truck carrying 120,000 fruits in just a few short hours. The sight of thousands of oranges pouring into trucks like a stream of golden sunlight is a powerful testament to the strength of modern mechanical technology. These trucks then rush along highways, carrying the farmer's hard-earned harvest towards centralized processing plants. There, the raw oranges begin a dramatic transformation, evolving into highly refined industrial products that meet the strictest global standards. Every passing second is optimized to preserve maximum freshness, from the moment the fruit leaves the tree to the moment it arrives at the factory. The laboratory and the ruthless filter. The moment those massive trucks arrive at the factory, 120,000 oranges are immediately thrown into a trial by fire, an uncompromising quality control process with zero exceptions. Here, automated trapdoor systems randomly extract about 40 pounds of oranges from each shipment and send them straight into a modern laboratory for a decisive test, one that determines the multi-million-dollar value of the entire load. Inside the sterile lab environment, the glossy appearance of the fruit no longer matters. Experts focus on a single number, The Brix Index, a precise measurement of the sugar content dissolved in the juice. This is the golden ticket that determines the fate of millions of oranges. If the Brix level is Alcio 1.5, the batch earns its place in the production line for premium pure juice, commonly known as NFC, not from concentrate. This is the most expensive category, prized for preserving the fruit's natural flavor and vitamins. On the other hand, if the sweetness falls short, often due to unfavorable weather, the oranges are diverted to evaporation towers, where they are concentrated into syrup. This syrup is then shipped across oceans, waiting to be reconstituted with purified water at local plants. The Brix Index is more than just a chemical number. It is a critical filter that ensures orange juice tastes consistent and premium anywhere in the world, before the fruit even moves on to the high-pressure washing systems. The 800 oranges per minute surgery. Before the juicy flesh is pressed into liquid, each orange must go through an incredibly precise step that very few consumers ever hear about: peel oil extraction. The freshly cleaned fruit rolls across a bed of spikes lined with thousands of ultra-fine needles. These needles gently pierce the outer peel, releasing microscopic droplets of essential oil, a highly valuable byproduct that luxury perfume and cosmetic brands eagerly seek at premium prices. Right after that, a roller system automatically sorts the oranges by size, ensuring a perfect match for the giant cone-shaped juicers known as reamers. Here, a lightning-fast surgery takes place at an astonishing speed of 800 oranges per minute. Reamer technology is a true pinnacle of food engineering. It applies precise pressure right at the center of the fruit to extract every drop of juice without ever touching the white inner layer known as the albedo. Why go to such extremes? Because just a single drop of peel oil or even a trace of bitterness from the white pith can instantly ruin thousands of gallons of juice, turning it unpleasantly bitter and destroying its natural flavor. What makes this process even more remarkable is its zero-waste philosophy. All the leftover peels and pulp are dried and compressed into nutritious animal feed pellets. In this way, the orange doesn't just offer its refreshing juice to humans, it gives everything back to a sustainable biological cycle. Deep sleep, technology, and packaging. To preserve the full vitamin content and fresh flavor without using a single drop of chemical preservatives, the juice must undergo flash pasteurization. Here, the orange juice is rapidly heated to 185 degrees Fahrenheit to eliminate all microorganisms and spoilage enzymes, then immediately cooled down to 35 degrees Fahrenheit. This thermal shock process instantly locks in the natural color and the signature aroma of fresh oranges. However, the real secret lies inside massive storage tanks as tall as a 5-story building. In these tanks, the juice enters a perfect state of deep sleep within a pure nitrogen environment. By completely removing oxygen, the #1 enemy that causes oxidation and flavor loss, food scientists can preserve the juice's freshness for up to 2 years without altering its natural quality. This represents the pinnacle of physical preservation technology, rather than relying on chemicals. When an order comes in, the juice flows from these tanks into a fully automated filling line operating in an absolutely sterile environment. Here, intelligent AI camera systems, capable of processing thousands of frames per second, scan every single product. Even the smallest defect, whether it's the cap, the label, or the fill level, is instantly detected and rejected without any human intervention. The perfectly finished products are then stacked onto refrigerated pallets, beginning their overnight journey to supermarkets, ready to serve you. The perfect supply chain. Every time you twist open a bottle of orange juice and feel that refreshing burst run through your body, remember, it's not just an ordinary fruit drink. It's the remarkable result of a perfectly orchestrated supply chain where the beauty of nature is preserved and elevated by some of the most advanced technologies created by humankind. From giant robotic arms shaking trees in distant farms, to laboratories rigorously measuring sugar levels, to modern nitrogen-based deep sleep storage systems, everything operates in perfect harmony for one single goal: to keep your breakfast fresh, nutritious, and full of energy to start your day. The journey from orange grove to breakfast table is a powerful testament to human ingenuity in overcoming the challenges of time and distance, all to optimize one of Earth's most valuable natural resources. If you found this massive production process fascinating and eye-opening, don't forget to give us a like and hit subscribe so you won't miss out on more incredible industrial journeys in upcoming videos. And before we wrap up today, here's a quick question for you. In your ideal glass of orange juice, do you prefer it with pulp for that authentic, natural feel, or completely smooth for the cleanest texture? Drop your answer in the comments. I'd love to hear your taste. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.